health insurance in USA. If your employer does not offer you health insurance as a part of then employee benefits program, may you be looking at purchasing your own health insurance through a private health insurance company. A premium is the amount of money an individual or business pays to an insurance company for coverage. Health insurance premiums are typically paid monthly. Employers who offer an employer-sponsored health insurance plans typically cover part of the insurance premiums. If you need to insure yourself, you will be paying the full cost of the premiums. It is the common to be concerned about how much it will cost to purchase health insurance for yourself. However, there are various options and prices available to you based on the level of coverage you need. When purchasing your own insurance, the process is more complicated than simply selecting a company plan and having the premium payments come straight out of your paycheck every month. Here are some tips to help guide you through the process of purchasing your own health insurance. Key takeaways: you may need to purchase individual health care if you just turned 26, are unemployed or self-employed, work part-time, or starting a business that will have employees, or have recently retired. If you do not have the option of enrolling in an employer-sponsored health insurance plan, a good source of gaining insurance coverage is through the health insurance marketplace that was created in 2014 by Affordable Care Act (ACA). If you are at least 65 or disabled, you can enroll in Medicare with the option to add additional coverage through a private Medicare or Medicare Advantage. How buying private health insurance works. Some Americans get insurance by enrolling in a group health insurance plan through their employers. Medicare provides health care coverage to seniors and the disabled, and Medicaid has coverage for low-income Americans. Medicare is a federal health insurance program for people who are 65 or older. Certain young people with disabilities and people with end-stage renal diseases may also qualify for Medicare. Medicaid is a public assistance healthcare program for low-income Americans regardless of their age. If your company does not offer an employer-sponsored plan and if you are not eligible for Medicare or Medicaid, individuals and families have the option of purchasing insurance policies directly from private insurance companies or through the health insurance marketplace. Scanners, when you might need private health insurance, there are certain circumstances that make it more likely that you will need to purchase your own health insurance plan. A young adult 26 years of age or older under the provisions of the Affordable Care Act (ACA) of 2010, young people can be covered as dependents by their parents' health insurance policy until they turn 26 years old. After that, they must seek out their own insurance policy. Unemployed insurance policy. If you lose your job, you may be eligible to maintain coverage through your employer's health insurance plan for a period of time through a program called the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act (COBRA). COBRA allows eligible employees and their dependents the options to continue health insurance coverage at their own expenses. While coverage through COBRA can be maintained for up to 36 months under certain circumstances, the cost of enrolling in COBRA is very high. This is because the formerly employed person pays the entire cost of the insurance. Typically, employees pay a portion of healthcare premiums on behalf of their employee. Important: as a part of American Rescue, the government will reimburse COBRA cost by 100% if the taxpayer lost a job due to COVID-19. This subsidy will last from April 1, 2021 through September 30, 2021. This subsidy is tax-free and will be paid in advance. A part-time employee. Part-time jobs rarely offer health benefits. A part-time job is any position that requires employees to work a lower numbers of hours than would be considered full-time by their employer, or 40 hours per week. If you work part-time, you usually must enroll in your own health insurance. Self-employed. A self-employed person may work as a freelancer or own a business some self-employed people can get health insurance. They must provide their own health insurance. A business owner who has employees. If you start a business and you have employees, you might be required to offer them health insurance. Even if it's not required, you might decide to offer health insurance in order to be a competitive employer that can attract qualified job candidates. In this situation, you will be required to purchase a business health insurance plan, also known as a group plan. If you retired or your spouse parent retired, when you retire, you will likely no longer be eligible for employer-sponsored health insurance. If you are under 65 or not disabled, you will need to purchase individual private health insurance until you turn 65 and can apply for Medicare. Many retired choose to purchase private Medicare or Medicare Advantage plans in addition to Medicare as a way of granting more comprehensive coverage. Some retired people may also decide to completely replace Medicare coverage with a private Medicare Advantage plan. It is important to note that the Medicare, and Medicare Advantage plans are only for the individual. Your spouse, partner, and any dependents cannot be insured through your Medicare plan. This means that if your family was previously insured through your employer's plan and you retired, your family members may need to enroll in individual plans dropped by your existing insurance. Although the Affordable Care Act prevents insurer from cancelling your coverage or denying your coverage due to pre-existing conditions or because you made a mistake on your application, there are other circumstances when your coverage may be cancelled. It's also possible that your insurance may become so expensive you can afford it. Why you should purchase health insurance? If you find yourself in one of the above situations and lack in health insurance coverage, it's important to enroll in an individual plan as soon as possible. The fine of for failing to obtain coverage was cancelled in 2019. Even though you are not required to have insurance, you cannot predict when an accident will occur that will require medical protection. Even a minor broken bone can have major financial consequences if you are uninsured. If you purchase insurance through the health insurance marketplace, you may be eligible for income-based premium tax credits, sharing and reduction. The health insurance marketplace is a platform that offers insurance plans to individual, families, and small business. The Affordable Care Act established the marketplace as a means to achieve maximum compliance with the mandate that all the Americans be enrolled in health insurance. Many states offer their own marketplace while the federal government manages an exchange open to residents of their space. While you may not be able to afford the same kind of plan, an employer would offer you any amount of coverage is more advantageous than going without. In the event of a major accident or a long-term illness, you will be prepared.